Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how to get rid of varicose veins without any surgery. Today I will share with you a remedy in which we will use tomatoes for curing varicose veins. Make sure to watch the video till the end to get full information. As you age, your skin begins to change in ways you probably won't enjoy. Whether it be liver spots, wrinkles, or spider veins, skin aging is the number one thing women wish they could avoid. Although natural remedies can't give you back the firmness or look you had in your 20s, they can significantly improve the health and appearance of your skin. What are varicose veins? Varicose veins are the dark-colored, lumpy, or enlarged veins that usually appear on the legs and feet. As the veins in your legs pump blood against the gravity, they need to put in extra workforce to force the blood back to the heart. These veins have inbuilt walls that prevent the backflow of the blood. However, over time, the veins tend to lose their elasticity and the valves fail to resist the backflow. As a result, the deoxygenated blood gets pulled up in the veins, making them twist and appear bulgy and blue. While varicose veins are not harmful, they are unsightly and can cause discomfort and embarrassment to the sufferer. Some pregnant women also develop varicose veins. Pregnancy increases the volume of blood in your body, but decreases the flow of blood from your legs to your pelvis. Alternatively, spider veins can be caused by hormonal changes, standing or sitting for long hours, exposure to the sun, and injuries. What tomatoes can do for your skin? Tomatoes contain vitamins C, E, and A, as well as beta-carotene, which are all important nutrients for skin health. Drizzle them with a bit of olive oil for some skin-healthy omega-3 essential fatty acids. One of the carotenes tomatoes contain is lycopene, which has been proven to fight cancer and provide protection against acute and potentially longer-term aspects of photo damage. After being ingested, lycopene can be detected in the skin. This suggests that it may also be absorbed through the skin if used topically. How to use tomatoes for varicose veins? There is a popular Russian remedy that says to place slices of red tomatoes on varicose veins and bandage them into place. They should be left on 3 to 4 hours at a time, 5 times a day, until the veins are no longer visible. Realistically, it's easier to incorporate more tomatoes into your diet and coat your varicose veins with a tomato-based skin mask. Here's how you make it. Ingredients: 1 tomato, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Instructions: squeeze out the juice of the tomato and lemon into a glass bowl. Whisk in the oil and honey until smooth. Apply this mixture lightly on your skin and refrigerate any remaining mix. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. You can place plastic wrap over the skin and bandage it into place to avoid staining your clothes. Rinse off the mixture with cold water. Pat dry with a clean towel. For best results, repeat the mask 2 to 3 times a day for 2 weeks or more. Just remember that how you look on the outside says a lot about what's going on the inside. Factors like an unhealthy diet, dehydration, inactivity, stress, and lack of sleep can all affect the appearance of your skin. Do give it a try and share your experience in the comments section below. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value. And don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.